Preparation and processing of food products have long been areas where the use of robots was limited. But now industrial robots are increasingly being employed in the primary processing of vegetables, confectionery, and food production. Two metal pipes can be joined not only by welding, but also using friction. The production process of glass bottles involves several technological stages, and there are several variations and technological approaches depending on specific requirements and production characteristics. An experienced plumber can connect two pipes using a simple fitting even in a difficult place at the corner of a wall and under water pressure. There is always a high demand for such professionals. A computer-controlled milling machine is capable of machining a part of any complexity. Wrapping products in a package is not difficult, and this machine will help when you need to package a huge roll weighing more than 2 tons. Sometimes, the production of automobile tires looks more like the creation of fantastic components for a spaceship. For the production of razor blades, metal is first divided into thin strips for further stamping. Any chef will appreciate this invention for the automatic molding of dough. A full-cycle conveyor for onion production performs all processing stages, from cleaning to fine slicing and packaging in a bag. Green seedlings jump into the planting hole by themselves, with the help of such an ingenious mechanism. Cutting paper with a computer has now become much easier and safer. Fruits are harvested from trees manually or with the help of special knives. After harvesting, the fruits are cut and cocoa beans are extracted from them, which are then subjected to fermentation. Thank you for watching until the end. Watch the next video. You will like it even more. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.